Hey everybody, Colleen here from Colleen Beauty and Fashion. Today is June the 1st, and this video is all about makeup that I really liked in the month of May. So there's I think I have 4 or 5 things to share with you this month. I didn't do a ton of makeup this month because I did so much in April with my 30 products in 30 days from 30 different brands. And if you want to, you can catch that playlist. And I went through 30 products and did a video every day, so that was a lot of makeup. But I did have some favorites for the month of May here that I'm going to share with you. And I'm going to demonstrate one of them because this is the end of the day. I'm filming after work, after dinner actually. And by the end of the day, I usually have, you can see here, these hollows that come in under my eyes. And I think that's because the fluid throughout the day eventually drains. The puffiness goes away. But also, I think one of the products that I'm using is helping me to get rid of my pooches. So these are what I call my pooches. So that is coming up. So let's get going with this makeup review on my mature skin. Stay tuned. Here we go. So I'm going to start real quickly with the BK Beauty brushes. I just did a video on these, so if you want to check out my full review, it'll be listed in my content, and it wasn't too long ago, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this, but I am still loving these brushes. This is the collection for small hooded eyes, and I'm finding really, really the right size for what I need for my small hooded eyes. So, and they're lovely quality. They're by Lisa J, who also has a YouTube channel, and I mentioned everything about them in the review, so if you want to check that out, that's the best thing to do, but definitely a fave for the month of May. So moving on, I did a couple of Essence eyeshadow palette reviews too. I had completed most of the Essence eyeshadow 6-pan palettes, but there were a couple that I hadn't done as we moved into the month of May. So one of them was Ice Ice Baby. And I apologize for the condition of this color or cover, but I love it so much, right? So it gets used a lot. So I did demonstrate this in May, and it is a blue eyeshadow palette, but I just love it. As you can see by the condition of the eyeshadows, it's been used a lot, and it's still a favorite of mine. So I wanted to mention it. Don't be afraid of this blue palette. And if you're curious, go look at the demo I did on it. It's listed in the playlist of all the Essence eyeshadow demonstrations. But it's a great, great palette and still a favorite. So after I completed all the 6-pan Essence eyeshadow palettes, I just, couldn't stop myself. I had to go on to the 9-pan. And there are 3 different versions of the 9-pan. They're called Daily Dose of Power is one, and then Energy is another. And the final one that I tried was Love, Daily Dose of Love. This turned out to be my favorite because it was most wearable, and I'll show you the shades. I think for summer too, these are really nice pinky coral shades, and I really like the look that I got out of this when I did the review. I'm going to pop the picture up for you. I thought it made a really pretty soft look, so I like this one a lot. The other 2 I wasn't as crazy about. They're okay, but Essence 6-pan eyeshadow palettes are better. So, but I do like this one in the 9-pan. So I did do one video that had these 2 items in it. This is the Lash Paradise Mascara, and this is the Revlon 5-in-1 Concealer. So I have to put my glasses on for these. So the Lash Paradise one, I did this because Allie Glines loves this mascara, and many people love this mascara. It's not just her. It's a very, very popular mascara. So I wanted to test it out on my lashes, which are small and stubby and, need all the length and volume they can get. And I really, really like this. It was #1 in my mascara review for the month of May, which you can check out if you want to. I did 5 different mascaras, and this one came out on top. So still loving this. The other one is this Revlon 5-in-1 Concealer. And I want to read to you what this says, because it says it has caffeine and vitamin C in it. And I picked the shade, where is the shade on here? I'm pretty sure it's going to be Fair or something. it just says 002. But of all the things I've tried this month, this far and away is my favorite. And the reason, there's a couple reasons for it. I'm going to show it to you right now. I'm going to demo it for you because I think this is really interesting. First of all, I like the applicator. I like the little spongy thing. You squish it and it dispenses the product. And I'm just going to look over here in my mirror for a minute. I put it on with the sponge, one in the corner, one in this corner, and then just a few dabs here. Now, I was mentioning before my poochies, right? This product has caffeine in it. And I'm pretty sure that the caffeine in this product is really helping to minimize my pooches. So I just kind of go in and then spread this around with my finger first. And then I take my sponge, and I just kind of pat it in. But you can see where I'm hitting, right? I'm hitting right here. That's the poochie, right there. And I always hit it, so it's not the tapping on it that's doing it. I honestly believe it's the caffeine in this product. And so I'm gonna hunt for caffeine in more things. Because I really do believe that it's helping. If you go back in my earlier videos, you might be able to tell the difference. Maybe I should find a picture or something, but I really believe it's helping, at least on a daily basis, if not long term, minimize the puffiness here. So to me that says I need to go find some skincare with some caffeine in it. I'm on a mission now. If you have mature under eyes, if you have little poochies like I have, let me know if you found something that really helps them, but I'm pretty sure this might be something you want to try. So I'm really enjoying it, and I'm giving it the big thumbs up, and I hope you will give this video a big thumbs up. You see how I did that? And like and subscribe if you're enjoying this video and the content on my channel. Our community is growing. I'm so thrilled that people are finding this channel and joining us, and my goal, as some of you who are subscribers will know, is to grow a community around the world of makeup and fashion enthusiasts who are mature women who just bring joy to everything they do, who enjoy their life and enjoy their beauty inside and out. That's the deal here. So if you're interested in joining us, if that intrigues you, please subscribe. Look, there you are. So, here's Miss Bonnie ready to say goodnight. At the end of my videos, Miss Bonnie always says goodbye. It'd be nice if you look into the camera. Okay. Say bye-bye, people. Bye-bye, people. Bye-bye, people. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.